for your Father's Day basket. And I say, make me do little shopping, you know, because downtown me the Coronation Market with the good things them there, yes. Some I get some carrot. How much we get carrot a pound for? 150 a pound for carrot. I get some tomatoes. This is 2 pounds of tomatoes. Tomato, 150 a pound. That's another 300. I get some sweet pepper. Guys, look how much sweet pepper I get. Sweet pepper, bell pepper, whatever you call it. This $250 and this is 1 pound. You see why I love a market, guy? When you buy it on the street side, I don't know what them do with them scale, but you don't get your true weight. This is 1 pound. I think I get 2, 4, 6, 8. I'm going to use 1, 9 sweet pepper I get for 1 pound. I get scallion and thyme, guys. Scallion and thyme. Yes, this are $300. Pound of scallion and $100 thyme. Yes, guys. I get lettuce. See here? Okay, 1 bag of lettuce. You know how much this? 1 pound of lettuce, guys. 1 pound of lettuce. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4 head of lettuce for 1 pound. When I go to market and go inside the market, especially curry, you get the country people them with the good scale. Yeah, big up the country people them with the good scale. Them now take a ounce. Them a give what you deserve. Yes, guys. I'm going to buy Irish. Irish. It's a 2 pound of Irish. I pay 150 a pound for Irish. Yes, guys. I buy 1 dozen okra. Okra not so cheap. $200 a dozen for okra. You know, sometimes we see the okra for $100 and then something, but at $200 a dozen, so it's not so cheap, right? So that's an okra. Guys, we have 1 pound of sweet potato. Sweet potato, we get this for $200. Right? We get 3 chocho. 3 chocho, $200. Yes, guys, I buy chocho because I'm going to make soup again. For the 3rd week, my husband said he wants soup. So, guys, look what I saw. My husband said he wants soup. And Miss Pass and see some gungo. So I say, alright, yeah, I could make some gungo soup. We now make it the gungo soup way, you know. We still make the pumpkin. Right? It's a little pumpkin. But we have put this in it. So, you know, I forgot pick this, right? I forgot pick it. I love pick it. It you know, yeah. I love pick it. So that's that. And a $600 I pay for pound and a half. Onion, me use 1 out of 8 pound of onion. $400 pound. Onion still there. Yes, guys. I buy. If I dash in this cocoa, you know, guys. And if I dash in a cocoa, I don't so know them. If you know it, put it in the comment section and tell me if I dash in a cocoa. But my husband will eat them, so I just buy it and I go put it in the soup. Yeah? Yes. And then, guys, look what I got. I got some. This is lime. It look like orangey, big like orange, but it's not orange. It is lime. Yes, 6 lime, $500. Maybe spend my $500 and buy this anytime. You know what them here? Them say me ask them to make them big so like orange. Them say them buy them from True Juice. So you know most likely agriculture lime. But lime a lime, don't it? We are going to use it now with juice and so we know. Alright? Because the first me I buy lime big so. But then we worth me $500. Yes, guys. And then last but not least, guys, when I really and I market me buy this still. But I still assure you, because from my plan for the local gungo soup, I buy 1 pound of salt beef. 1 pound of salt beef, $1,000, guys. $1,000 a pound. Somebody ask them how much a pound. I buy some chicken foot, but I find a piece of pigtail in the fridge. So I say, I now bother use the chicken foot. I just put the pigtail, put the pigtail sheet in the soup, right? So I now bother use the chicken foot. I'm going to buy some cow skin, guys. Years me not cook this. Years this not cook on my yard. Years. Probably from me a teenager. Me not cook cow skin, but yes, me gonna put some cow skin in it. So guys, this is basically what I bought for myself in Coronation Market downtown. Yes guys, as I said, I'm gonna get some fruits to make one fruit basket. So I'm just pick up little things for myself. So this is basically what I bought today, right? So this is my little shopping haul. Yes, this is my little shopping haul for today. Yes guys, this is it. This is it. Yes guys, so market wasn't too bad today at all. We get a good amount of things, not too expensive. Yes, so I give thanks for the local market run on my make. Yes guys, Coronation Market downtown Kingston. So if you're in the vicinity there guys, it's best when you buy your things them early. Come go there early in the morning from 6 o'clock. I go. Yes, so my things them look fresh. Yes guys, that's why I love my things them fresh. Yeah, no stale things, no fill up and left back. You see it? Everything fresh and nice. Just put out and I buy. Yes guys, so thank you so much for watching. Stick and stay guys. If you are here watching for the very first time, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Yes guys, and all my lovelies, big up on yourself and stay strong, stay blessed and go and do the thing. Yeah man. So this is me, KK's Kitchen, signing out from my market haul this morning. Alright, blessings. Walk good. God bless you now. And guys, remember to put in the comment section what this is. If our cocoa or dashing. A cocoa this or dashing, guys, put it in the comment section and let me know. Alright? Love, peace and love guys. And yes, tell me if you ever drink gungo pea soup with pumpkin. Cause you know the original gungo pea soup, them not use pumpkin, but me, I go use everything when me normally use in my pumpkin soup. The only difference is that me I put cow skin in it, beef in it, and me I go put the gungo in it. So I basically the same thing, but I get a lot of different flavor. Blessings guys, blessings again. Big up on yourself.